Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Covalent API keys from production step by step clearly. To uninstall Covalent API keys from production, start by accessing your production environment. Log into your server using SSH or your preferred method of remote access. Navigate to the directory where your application is located. Open the configuration file associated with your application. Locate the section where the Covalent API keys are stored. Carefully note the format in which the keys are included. Delete the lines that contain the Covalent API keys. Save the changes made to the configuration file. If your application uses environment variables, check the environment settings. Access the environment configuration file or management console. Identify the variables related to the Covalent API keys. Remove these variables from the environment configuration. Confirm that the environment file is saved successfully. If you are using a deployment service, initiate a new deployment to apply changes. Monitor the deployment process for any errors or warnings. Once the deployment is complete, test the application to ensure it functions correctly without the Covalent API. Check the logs for any residual references to the Covalent API keys. If any issues arise, troubleshoot and resolve them as needed. Your Covalent API keys are now successfully uninstalled from the production environment. Ensure to document the process for future reference. Consider updating your security protocols to prevent unnecessary access to sensitive information. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.